Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Krazy Klean Toilet Cleaner. So basically a toilet cleaner that will replace the traditional toilet brush, as they're claiming that is a new invention from Krazy Klean, the chemical-free water treatment that makes it so you don't need to scrub your toilet for the next 10 years. So this is a pretty much a bold claim, right? So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see that you can get rid of the plunger using this toilet cleaner. You won't need any brush plunger anymore. And they're also working on their new innovation, and there is no scrubbing. Krazy Klean does the work for you. Go ahead, toss out the scrub brush, you won't be needed anymore. So they are making a pretty much bold claim, like it hasn't any harmful chemicals. It is just to clean your toilet without using any brushes. So it seems like a really convenient home item that you could use for your daily usage of cleaning your toilet. As you can see, like, this product is also available on Amazon, which is a major green signal. Why? Because being available on Amazon means the product has passed through a variety of safety checks. And as you can see, the rating is like 3.3 out of 5 stars, and 57% of the person have rated it 5 star and 43 given it 1 star. And it is based on 15 reviews. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this is a moderate rating and you could give it a shot, but don't buy too many items as first. Just purchase one and just give it a shot if it works for you. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.